How to change image duration in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can find this three line icon. Simply tap on this three line icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you can find a section called Preferences. Simply tap on Preferences, and here there's another section of Image and Text Default Duration. Simply tap on it. So this is the place where you can customize and set the duration. Here there are two different sliders that are available. Now you can simply swipe and adjust it. At last you can simply go back and it's done. So all the settings will be saved too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.